So guys, I'm making a dragon. Wait lang. Ew. Oh no, we need more glue. Let's try it. Yeah. Wait. Okay, let's wait in 50 minutes. Okay. So I got so many things here. And put the glue right here. Put my things in my bag. So guys, if you wait in 50 minutes, so I can make part 2 in this morning. So you need to go into comment, so just comment, do it part 2. So that's it. Bye.